Here's how to fix the Microsoft Teams installation has failed error. So as you can see here on the desktop, MS Teams setup.exe installation has failed. What you need to do is to press on close. Now on your startup desktop, search for the services system. Afterwards, click on that. And then what you need to do is to scroll up or scroll down until you see there the Windows installer option. What you need to do is to click on that. Now, after clicking on that, this will be a very important step wherein you need to click on the start for the service status and you have to wait until the Windows installer are done for finishing or updating. And then on the left side, you will see there restart the service for Windows installer. So what you need to do is to click on that. Now, after clicking on that, exit to the window and restart your computer and desktop and see if the Microsoft Teams installation has been successful.